Gagawin natin. Ilang tao?
Wala kang tao.
We are here at South Entrance.
We go to Dampier Landing.
Saan?
2.25.
Dampier Landing.
Yun yung Artilahan.
At walang tao.
Maaga.
Good morning, sir. It's our first time to visit your park, and the first gate it was closed, so we expect that we have a transactions on that gate.
Yeah, that's what you pay down there.
Yeah.
And there's an honor box, and you just pull it out and you put your name on it. You put it on your mirror, hang it in your car.
Okay, and then that's how we get charged.
Yeah, it's $5 or $6, something like that. It's not real expensive.
Okay.
So I have to go back to get it.
Yeah, you have to go back there to get it, and then we have the other park too, and that'll get you into the other park too.
Okay, so I seen a paper in there, like a blue one. Is that what you're talking about? A blue one?
Yes.
Okay, let's go back.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you, sir. Yan. Start natin. Tara. Parang picnic dito, no? Paddling adventures. Stand-up paddleboard, canoe, tandem kayak. Ano ba yung tandem kayak, oh? Asan ang transparent? Sabi nila meron. May double, oh. Para mas nakaka-relax to kaysa itong bilog. No, kasi ano siya eh. Nakaganon kayo. Kayak lounge. Tram wristband $8, 5 years and under free. Tandem kayak is 2 person 55. So on Dampier's Landing nandito tayo. I think pababa tayo eh. Tablet, then may trams na magbabalik sa atin. So Dampier's Landing. Swim and picnic, tube the river, canoe and kayak, hike the trails. Wala pang tao mga idol, oh.
Yun o, bukas o.
Kasi tara. Right place?
Dampier's?
Yeah, Dampier's paddle exit info.
I get y'all's vests and paddles. What kind of? Here you go. Kansas City.
Thank you.
For you. Oh, yeah, you have a bag. Now there's no food allowed.
No.
You can't have any Ziploc baggies or anything.
Oh, we don't need the Ziploc bag?
Yeah, you can't take that with you.
Okay.
No
You can-
speaker.
You can leave it here. It's
No water bottles.
No, no,
Yeah,
we
it's
don't
fine.
need wallet.
it's rechargeable batteries for cameras,
Okay.
and
Looks
that's
good.
it. Sunblock.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Just as long as you don't have any, you know, like they don't want anything disposable going out onto the river.
We understand.
All right. Here's that, and your paddles are right there.
Okay.
After you fill this out, then it'll just be straight down that way.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Hey,
Yep.
fill
If
up.
I could just get you guys to fill this out, all it states is that you know how to operate the boat. You know that on the water you're in charge of your safety, and you have that life vest inside out.
Oh, inside out. I put it in the wrong. See, I don't know how to do it.
You're fine.
Thank you.
No problems.
That's fine. That's fine.
You'll just take the paddles right here, just
Okay.
follow this concrete all the way to the water. There's a guy down there getting your boat ready for you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Pandora the Explorer eh. Mahaba ng baging oh. Good morning. Hindi tumakbo eh. Wala. Bakit? Wala eh. Yung tubig big mura. $18 lang. Layo pala nito. Caution, big. Big, tayo mo. Ayan. Cautions. Alligators are present along the trails and waterways of this park. They usually eat fish, turtles, and other small animals, but may attack larger animals such as deer. Alligators have been known to attack humans. For your safety, alligators are dangerous. Do not approach, frighten, or feed by state law. Pero hindi sinabi kung paano. Anong gagawin mong pagtakas pag avoid sa kanya, no?
I think dito yung baby. Dito tayo.
Anong tao? Dapat may tao.
Ito. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yun na yun, babe. Diyan na. Lahat pala kano kinuha natin, no? Parang nakakatakot yung pinili natin. Isa eh. Ang liit eh.
What direction we go?
So the current of water is go to the left, but we're going to the right, right?
You guys are going up that way, but the current's going down that way.
You think we can make the paddle towards there? The current is goes to the left?
I mean, as long as you guys get out here, what we're supposed to tell you is you guys can go up that way as far as you want, but you have to get it back out here.
Uh-huh.
But I guess it really doesn't matter as long as you get out here. That's all that matters.
So we're gonna go back here.
You
Yeah.
have
So
to
we're
come back
gonna
out
go
here.
down and then
No. We go up because we're not allowed to go there, right?
Not really. I'm not supposed to let y'all go down that way. Y'all are supposed to go up that way
Uh huh.
and get out here.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Yeah, I've never done this before, so.
that's okay. I get.
Oh.
If you guys want to get in, y'all can. I'm waiting on y'all.
Oh, okay. So, babe, where do you want to sit?
The person in the back does more of the power.
Okay.
The person up front does the steering.
Uh-huh.
You ready?
Yep. Thank you, sir.
Now you ready?
Oh,
So much fun. You guys out far that way. When we get back out here.
okay. We're against the current, babe. Oh my God, ang hirap na ito.
dito ka sa kabila ako dito. Doon ka sa kabila. Doon ka sa kabila.
God, bakit natin ginawa to? Against the current eh.
Dito ako. Huwag mong ipaddle dyan kasi pupunta ka sa gilid.
Doon nga tayo sa gilid.
Dito ka sa kabila magpaddle. Kasi para gumanong tayo, oh. Pwede ka maliko.
Oh my God, ang lalim na ito, babe. Yari, hindi tayo pwede magkabali dito, babe. Tayo.
Huwag kang pupunta dyan sa gilid. Pag pupunta ka sa gilid, ito, dito mo yan para pupunta ka sa gitna. Yan, oo. Yan, push it. Bumabalik ka na.
Sige. Parang lulubog tong ano natin, kayak natin, babe. Good job, babe. Ang lupit mo. Ayan, sa left ka, ako sa right. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yan. Kulang ang force mo sa left. Oh my God, close na tayo sa mga halaman to eh. Go, so right, go, go, go. Two. Sabi mo harap ka sa akin.
Hindi pwede yung upuan. Do not push more onto the left. Pupunta ako sa right.
Babe, may bumubula dun, babe. Ayan o, sa harap mo. Ito sa left side. Talasan mo yung mata mo, babe. May bumubula. Ayan o. Ayan o yung nakaangat na yun na brown o. Yan, mapayapa ng konti ng tubig na dito. Di bali babe, mag-i-enjoy tayo pabalik.
Dito ka sa ano, dito ka sa,
Dapat pala dyan ako eh.
dito ka sa right para pupunta tayo sa left. Oh.
Kasi ikaw ang driver eh.
Ako na lang magpapadel, huwag ka nang magpadel. Kakamali eh.
Ang linaw ng tubig babe oh.
Padel ka ng padel sa left, pupunta tayo sa right eh. Huwag ka nang magpadel.
Kasi uy babe, pwede nga tayo maligo dito babe. Kaya natin to.
Hindi daw pwede.
Hindi, sa may paliguan point. Babe, dito ka sa right. Makasalubong natin sila oh.
Dito nga ako kasi
Ayan.
hindi ka pwedeng pumunta more on the right. Huwag ka na magpadel, ako na.
Akala mo naman, professional ka. Hindi ka naman nagkakayak before.
Pinupunta mo ko sa ano, right eh. Ayoko dun sa right.
May masalubong tayo eh.
No. Saka ka pa nito tayo.
Yan. Yeah. Good morning. Eh siya sabi ko yung nakaangat oh. Malay ko ba? Kung ano yan?
Dito ka sa ano, right? Papunta tayo sa lahat. See?
Tayo sa left. Yan. Okay. Challenge accepted. Uy, yun, nakita mo yun? I don't know. Ano yung sinasabi ko?
Balik na tayo. Pababa na lang tayo.
Mabilis to pag nagpababa tayo, babe. Hindi sulit yung $55 natin.
Oo na, mamadaga naman sa nerve yun. Yun na, may lumalangoy dun oh.
I told you, sabi ko kasi may nag-splash dun eh. Hindi, pwede mo naman ipalo tong paddle mo, babe. I think this is strong enough to hurt the alligator.
Do not hurt mo ba?
Hindi, loko ba sila? Isa naman kainin ako. Baby, yung bag mo, babe, oh. Sumasayad. Yung bag mo, di ba? Nasaan? Ninervous ka, no? Ha? Ninervous ka, babe? Babe, yung water pinapasok. Pero flooded na, babe, oh. Tingnan mo. Oh. Babe, we're flooded.
Nakakagawa eh. Nakakagawa eh.
Ang saan mo?
Meron ba idea to kaya ko. Mamamatay ka sa nervous eh.
Bakit naman? Nervous. Iniisip mo si alligator eh. Tanggalin mo sa isip mo yun. Sa lawak na ito, hindi tayo iintindihin nun, no? Maganda nga, may makita tayo eh. Para talagang kompleto yung trip natin. Natatawa sa sinabi mo eh. Is it far? Yan. Paano pala kung tig-isa tayo, babe, no?
Kailangan din ako under doon na lang ako.
Matawa si. Dapat yung paddle nila naka-ano eh, naka-attach. Ano mo yun? Yung nag-row ka.
Malayo na ba tayo?
Oh yeah. I think this is more than 20 feet.
Hindi, yung
Distance?
natin.
Siguro about a mile.
1 mile pa hindi ko nagagawa.
Eh 2.5 nga daw to sabi.
Ano na hindi mo na abutin yung 5? Tama na yung 2.
Kaya pala ina-advise niya, pag nakaparating na kayo dito, alam niya siguro hindi natin kakayanin. Pwede na kayong bumalik, sabi. Ang aga-aga pa, no? Chill lang. Chill lang kasi. Pag oras na bumalik na tayo, mabilis na to. Sabi mo sa right, ako na bahala dyan sa left. Yan. Bahala dyan. Ang daming turtles dun, oh. Ay, baka yung nag-dive kanina, turtles yun, babe. Tinatakot mo kasi yung sarili mo eh. Hindi galig mo eh. Baya mo lang. Yan, mababaw, babe, oh. Yeah. May mga restricted area. Siguro doon may mga nangyaring ano na ano ng alligator. Kaya nire-restrict nila. Imagine mo kung nag-paddleboard ka pa, edi sobrang nakakapagod doon, nakatayo ka. Daming turtles doon, no? Turtles.
Dito kayo. Ano mo ko?
Oo, bahala dyan, guys. Di ba yung puti na yung swan? Yun, oh. Ang linaw eh.
Ano, papunta mo sa loob.
Hazel size bird.
Salubong.
Tanda kami, may isda eh. Good morning.
You guys are brave. You didn't want to take the way down with the current?
Yeah, we started actually wrong.
And I took the shuttle up and I just dripped down with the current.
I mean, you can enjoy also against the current, you know, if you wanted like more active to it, or you haven't get your workout on this day, kaya pwede ka against the current, you know. Pero tama rin sinabi niya na dapat in-explain sa atin ng maayos eh. Mali kasi na babe, no?
Dapat dinala tayo sa mall.
Oo. We're brave, sabi niya. Calories burned. Pero ang pangit is na misinform tayo, no? Pero okay lang, yun oh. Nakita mo yun?
Alay. Saan?
Wala, tinitignan ko nga kung ano yun eh. Fish.
Laki pa ito.
Alam mo ulo ng ano, alligator. Oh. Tapusin natin to, no? Pahinga na pabalik eh. Halos wala ka nang gagawin pabalik. Naka-steady sila, no? Hindi sila masyadong nagkagalaw. Siguro naman nakaka 1 mile na tayo, I think.
1 mile pa lang yun?
So pag nag-ano ka pala, kayak ka pala, kahit hindi mainit, no? Kasi magpe-pedal ka eh, mag-warm up ka eh. Ang daming isda, babe, no? Ayun, ang laki, oh. Paano ba na-adjust tong steps? Pahinga ka muna, akong bahala. Madsad tayo sa bahura, oh.
Ba't pinasok natin? Kayaking.
Against the current.
Chitaki. Una bahala. Pagod na yung driver. Ang tigas ng sinumpas.
Hirap ng part na to, ah. Nag-whirl yung ano eh, yung current, eh, no? Kaya yan. Ako ba? Ang dami natin kinain kahapon eh.
Papahinga.
Hindi rin kung gusto mo. Ito ba yun?
Last na yun.
Ma'am, are this the North Station?
I think so.
Oh, we made it. Woo. Yo mga idol, we made it, man. So pag pupunta kayo dito sa Ichatoke ba to, babe? Ichatoke State Park. Kung magpapaddle kayo, start on the north to mid and south. Kasi yung current galing sa north. So yun, nagkamali kami. Then nagkaya kami papunta sa north. Man, ang hirap, medyo mahirap din, challenging pero I think you can. Kaya naman, may mga part lang na nagwi-whirl yung tubig. Tapos hindi ko nga nakuhanan kasi naglobat yung GoPro. Pero yun, kaya. Pero kung gusto nyo ng ng more relax, hindi kayo it's not required a lot of energy. Yan, dito kayo mag-start sa north pababa. So yun, pabalik tayo, magpapaagos na lang tayo dun. Yun na yung relaxation natin. Pero medyo napagod si Evelyn, no babe, no? Babe, dito sa kabila.
Yeah.
Medyo napagod yan pero worth it kasi wala kami nakasabay na against the current. Lahat papunta sa amin. Tapos sabi pa isa, no? Sabi niya, meron naman daw na shuttle papunta sa north. Then doon ka na magkakayak pababa. Pero hindi, na-misinform kami ng babae kasi. Totoo. Pero salamat sa kanya na misinform niya at nakapag-workout kami today kasi marami rin kami nakain kahapon doon sa mga friends namin na pinagtuluyan. Kaya yun, na-burn today. So babe, ready ka na? Pabalik? Ha? So North Station mga idol. Okay, let's go back.